A lot of people talk about gluing sounds together. But in reality, you can glue things together with different methods, such as compression. That's the typical method. But we could also use, in this example, we're going to use Supermassive by Valhalla, which is free. So I'm going to play it without the effects on there. It's pretty cool, but let's turn them on. All right, so quickly what you want to do, we're going to grab Valhalla Supermassive. We're going to take this and we're going to put it on our channel. We're going to turn the density all the way up and the delay all the way down. And we'll leave the feedback at 50%. You can make it even higher, depends the sound that you're going for. But I'll turn the rate up a little bit and then the depth up a little bit. And you kind of don't want low end unless you want low end. And now this is the magic, is we put it in parallel here and we'll bring it down like 15 dB. So over everything, we've got this. So it kind of sounds like a blurry version of the original. And this is exactly what we want. And we're just going to mix this into our original sound. Just makes it sound a lot fuller. Some sounds it sounds better with, and some it doesn't sound as good. So you can automate this and, you know, do it to taste. But I did the same thing with the hi-hats here. So this is a really quick way, other than using compression, that you can glue a bunch of sounds together at the same time and make it sound a lot more cohesive and like part of the same universe.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you.